Ladybugs, also known as lady beetles, are small, round, and colorful insects that have long been a delight to the eye. These little creatures are known for their distinctive black spots adorning their red, yellow, or orange bodies. But did you know that their unique appearance is more than just a charming sight? Ladybugs are actually part of the Coccinellidae family, with over 5,000 species worldwide. They are known for their role in controlling pest populations, making them beneficial to gardens and agriculture. The ladybug's coloration serves a dual purpose. The bright colors warn potential predators of their distastefulness, a defense mechanism known as aposematism. The black spots, however, camouflage them against the dots on their favorite food, aphids. Ladybugs have an interesting way of reproduction. Females lay their eggs in clusters on the undersides of leaves, each egg containing 10 to 50 tiny ladybug larvae. These larvae hatch and start feeding on aphids and other small pests, growing into adults over a period of a few weeks. After maturing, ladybugs hibernate during the cold months, often seeking shelter in leaf litter or buildings. In spring, they emerge to continue their vital role in the ecosystem. Ladybugs are also fascinating in their lifestyle. They are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. They can fly, but they prefer to crawl, using their strong legs to move around. In many cultures, ladybugs are seen as symbols of good luck, a belief that dates back to ancient times. In fact, the Latin name for ladybug, Coccinellidae, means little round shield in reference to their protective outer shell. So next time you spot a ladybug, remember that this tiny, colorful creature is more than just a cute sight. It's a crucial part of our ecosystem, playing a vital role in pest control. Embrace the beauty of nature, and let the ladybug serve as a reminder of the wonders that can be found in the smallest of creatures.